Have you ever wondered what happens to debts like credit card balances or medical bills when someone files for bankruptcy, and who these creditors are in the grand scheme of things? Well, in bankruptcy, unsecured creditors typically play a less powerful role compared to their secured counterparts. They are generally at a lower priority for repayment and may receive only a fraction of the money they are owed, or sometimes nothing at all, especially after secured creditors have been satisfied. The core reason for this hierarchy lies in the fundamental difference between secured and unsecured debt. Secured debt, like a mortgage or a car loan, is backed by collateral. This means if the debt is not paid, the creditor can take back the specific asset that secures the loan, such as the house or the car. Unsecured debt, on the other hand, has no collateral attached. Think of credit cards, personal loans, or medical bills. Because there is no specific asset for the unsecured creditor to seize, their position in bankruptcy is inherently weaker. When a bankruptcy case proceeds, the debtor's non-exempt assets are gathered into what is called the bankruptcy estate. After administrative costs and priority unsecured claims like certain taxes or child support are paid, any remaining funds are then distributed to general unsecured creditors on a proportional basis. For these unsecured creditors to potentially receive any funds, they must actively participate in the bankruptcy process. They do this by filing a document called a proof of claim with the bankruptcy court, detailing the amount they believe they are owed. While they are allowed to attend the meeting of creditors, also known as the 341 meeting, and ask questions about the debtor's finances, their ability to influence the outcome or dispute the discharge of a legitimate unsecured debt is usually quite limited. Importantly, once a bankruptcy petition is filed, an automatic stay immediately goes into effect, which legally prevents unsecured creditors from continuing any collection efforts, harassment, or lawsuits. This automatic stay is a significant protection for individuals filing for bankruptcy, offering an immediate pause from aggressive debt collection. It highlights the importance of accurately listing all your creditors, both secured and unsecured, in your bankruptcy petition. While it is rare, an unsecured creditor could attempt to object to the discharge of their specific debt through what is called an adversary proceeding. However, this usually only happens if they can prove fraud or other specific misconduct by the debtor related to their debt. Understanding the distinct role of unsecured creditors in bankruptcy is key to seeing how the system provides a fresh start. It clarifies why certain debts are treated differently and how the bankruptcy process offers relief from obligations that often feel overwhelming. By grasping these details, you are better equipped to navigate your financial journey towards a more stable future.